Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the firmware for your Xiaomi Smart Camera C701. To do it, click on three dots in top right corner. Then go to Firmware Update, and if there is an update available, it'll show you the update button here. Now it'll start downloading the update. Later on it'll install it, the camera will restart, and after that you will be able to use it again. So I'll just get back to you when it's done. The camera is now restarting. You can see it is moving. It has downloaded all the data. So the update is almost finished. Let's give it a little moment. And now it says updated successfully and that the version is up to date. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.